Hello, good morning. Let's have a look on today what we are going to read. So, today we are going to read Moral Science, Class 4, and the name of the chapter is Mother's Love Has No Equal. Yes, mother's unselfish love can never be found. Okay, there are no demands. As said in one of the quote of Rudyard Kipling, God couldn't be everywhere, and therefore He made mothers. Whenever you look into your mother's eyes, you know that is the purest love you can find on earth. She never ever is going to demand anything in return. Yes, children? So, yes, definitely we can say mother's love has no equal. That unconditional love which she showers on us, and always she is readily available for us. Whenever we are sad, we are frightened, we are embarrassed, there are so many situations in our life, there are so many bad phases of our life. But you should know, children, that our mother, our parents are readily available for us and they are going to take care of us. Let's have a look on the chapter. All of us make mistakes, but a person who corrects us when we are wrong is our true friend. Our parents are our true friend. When we are wrong, they make us realize our mistakes and point out the right path to us. Definitely, we are as a whole human being. One or the other way, we may make mistakes. Sometimes we make it conditionally, sometimes unknowingly, we just make mistake. But there is a person who always tries to correct us, and that person is our true friend. And we can say our parents are no doubt our true friends, because whenever we are wrong, they make us realize our mistake and they show us, they guide us the path in which we can correct those mistakes. So let us read this story and find out how Sahil's mother made him realize his mistake. So today we are going to read the story about Sahil. Sahil is a boy and he lives with his mother. Okay, children. So what mistake he does and how his mother is going to teach him a lesson, you can say, or you can say that how she is going to make him realize his mistake. Sahil and his mother lived in a small town. He was a very careless boy. He never helped his mother in any of her household. One day his mother said, "Dear son, every morning I have so many things to do. You must help me in my work." So in the beginning of the story, we get to know that Sahil and his mother is living in a town, and the boy, who's the boy, children? The boy is Sahil, and he's a very careless boy. What do you mean by careless? That he never take cares of his things, he never does his work on time. Okay, and he never helped his mother in any of her household work. So the mother is encouraging the boy that he should help her. Sahil thought for a little while and replied, "I'll help you, but on one condition. I'll take 10 rupees for every work that I do." Sahil's mother was very upset after hearing this answer, but she did not say anything to him and agreed to pay him money for his help. So here see the cunningness of the boy, that how he is going, even if he is helping, he is asking for the money. Okay, but the mother, after hearing this, she became upset, but she somehow managed not to express her sadness. She agreed that she would definitely pay the money. The next day, Sahil happily helped his mother in many ways. So when he got to know that he is going to be paid for that work, he is working very, very happily. He was very happy. He thought his mother would give him the money in the evening, and with that money he would buy chocolates and toys. Before going to bed, he made a list of things he had done during the day. So now he is happily working and he's thinking about what will he do with the money. He has even thought about the future, and he's thinking what he would do. He would buy some chocolates, he would buy the toys with that money. So before going to bed, what he did, he memorized all the things that what he has done in the whole day, and he made a list of it and what all things he had done. Let's see what was the list all about. See that the list contained, the first point was, for dusting the house he wrote rupees 10. For watering the plants, rupees 10. For getting ready for school on his own, rupees 10. For laying the dining table, rupees 10. So overall the total was how much? The total was 40. So what all things he did? He dusted the house, he watered the plants, he even got ready on his own, he laid the dining table. So these 4 works he did, and for that he even managed the amount. For each task he did, he kept the money rupees 10. So after making the list, what he did, he went to his mother's room and quietly left that paper on her table. So he went there and kept this list on her mother's table. After reading Sahil's note, his mother wrote her own response, which went like this. So now after the list which Sahil made, his mother also wrote one of the list. Let's see what was the list. For taking care of you, nil. For teaching you to work, nil. For nursing you when you were sick, nil. For helping you in getting ready for school, nil. For preparing your food, again nil. For helping you in your homework, nil. For washing your clothes, nil. So total what amount of money her mother was getting? Nil. Can you see, children, our mother also do the same thing? Yes or no? Definitely yes. She wakes up in the morning, from the morning till night. She is working very hard for us, for preparing the food, for taking care of us, for the times she is giving to us. Whenever we are sick, she is caring, she is nursing us. Whenever we are late, she is helping us to get ready. Whole day, 3 times a day we eat. Our mothers are preparing food for us without even a single sadness in her face. And whenever we find any difficulty in our homework, our mother is readily available for that. Every day she washes your clothes. For all this work, how much money are you paying to her? Definitely nothing. Yes? So here also the mother made this note for Sahil, and overall she left this response on her son's bed along with the rupees 40. So whatever amount he had fixed for his work, the mother gave that money. Plus, she gave the list which she had prepared. What was the list? The list which she is doing. But in favor of that, what is she receiving? She only wants love from us children, our parents, our mother. After seeing this, Sahil was thrilled to see the money on his bed. He was very happy. But when he read his mother's note, he felt ashamed of himself. He went to his mother's room and gave her back the money. He also begged forgiveness for his selfishness and hugged his mother. So here Sahil got to realize his mistake, and he felt ashamed of himself. Whatever money he was wanting, he was demanding from his mother for the work he has done, but he never remembered the selfless work which his mother is doing every day and is not getting anything in return. At last he asked for forgiveness and he hugged his mother. So children, you also remember in your life, nobody in the world would be that much loving to you. That selfless love would only be you will be getting from your mother, nobody else. Be sure. So here we have finished up with this video, and today you all need to help your mother in any of the ways, because you're of class 4, you're not that mature enough to cook food for her, but then you can help her in the way she asked you. today, every day. Actually, you should do every day. So here we have finished up with this video. I hope you like the video.